Hey there everyone, welcome back to your own channel where we make your tech and creativity life easier. Today I'm going to show you how to customize the Finder sidebar on your Mac. This is super useful trick that can help you organize your workspace and access your favorite files and folders quickly. Let's dive straight in. So first of all, let's open the Finder. If you are not familiar, it is the happy face icon in your dock. Once Finder is open, go to the top menu and click on Finder, then Settings. Also, you can use the shortcut key command and comma to open the Finder settings. In the settings window, click on the Sidebar tab. Here you will see a list of items that you can choose to display in your Finder sidebar, like AirDrop, your documents folder, or external types. Just check the boxes next to the items you want, like I want movies, musics, pictures, and the home folder. So I'll go to tags. If you don't want the tags, you can remove these tags by unchecking these boxes. Or you can uncheck only those boxes which you don't want the tags to be displayed. As I don't want any text to be displayed on my sidebar, I will uncheck all this and all the text has been removed from my sidebar and it looks so clean now. Also, if you want to add some default folder in this sidebar which you use often, like I can add this creator folder over here because I often use this folders to often edit my videos because this contains some of my important stuffs in there. You can also add some certain files if you want to, which you often use and you don't want your time will be wasted by clicking on folders again and again. You can just rearrange the folders upside and down if you want as per your choice. This is how you can customize your Finder sidebar, and that's it. Customizing the Finder sidebar is quick and easy way to make your Mac work for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and leave a comment below. What's your favorite Mac trick? Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.